this thing on? Yep, great. I'm so excited to share with you my first unboxing video. This is awesome. Man, Amazon's so fast. Instructions, don't need that. I'm a dad. Once you're a dad, you never read instructions. Perfect pieces. Get rid of the box. No plan on returning this baby. Perfect, perfect, and perfect. Who needs instructions? Where are those instructions? All right. Primero, mete el cosa adentro de A. That's Spanish. Oh. Take the main part A, main part A, connect with main part B. Take main part C. It's very easy. Main part C, connect with main part D. Before you connect main part D, make sure you find a place for main part E. Who needs the E? There's the picture. That's what it's supposed to look like. I'm sorry. Let's see here. Put it upside down. Perfect. Perfect. That hurts. Oh, look at that. Perfect. It's actually easier than it looks. They said this was the latest model, and it came with extra parts. I don't think you need the extra parts because they're just spare parts, and who needs those? Perfectly fit. It's adjustable. That's how it is. It's in a multitude of ways. Whoa, whoa, not again! That's just what I needed.